Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another local forecast update for my YouTube viewers and subscribers. I hope I continue to climb in subscribers and viewers. Alrighty, well, if you like my content, if you like my forecast, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and let's dive right into the forecast here for January 17th, 2023. Alright, we're looking at rain showers across up from Michigan all the way back through southern PA, through Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, all the way back into Mississippi and Louisiana as the cold fronts continue to sweep offshore later on this afternoon and tonight. This system will continue, the low pressure system will continue to lift off into Canada and produce snow and mixed precipitation from New York City all the way back over to northern Wisconsin and northeastern Minnesota. We got another low pressure system over in the, several low pressure systems over in the lower southwest United States. This will continue. This will produce rain, mixed precipitation, and snowfall. A good little bit of snow will continue to fall in from Colorado all the way over to the Great Lakes region, and this will produce lots and lots of snowfall for you guys in this region here. Another system will drop on shore around Seattle, Washington that will produce showers and also some mixed precipitation as that system continue to move on shore. And here's a look at Wednesday's forecast. We have another system, that system that I was talking about over in the Colorado, Kansas City area will continue to lift off to the northeast, and that big swath of snow, freezing rain, and sleet will continue to build up in this region, and plus the severe weather will start kicking up around Texas, Mississippi, all the way up into Kentucky with some heavy rain and flash flooding. So be on the lookout for that. If you come to a flooded roadway, turn around, don't drown. We have that other system I was telling you about coming into Seattle, Washington, and Oregon. It will continue to make its run to the southeast with snow, mixed precipitation, and rain along the coast. Alright, here's a look at Thursday's forecast. That system dropped on in further. We'll continue to move. It will produce copious amount of snowfall, mixed precipitation across Arizona, a little bit of rain showers on the out layers of that cold air. The middle of the country, you're quiet. The precipitation of that low pressure system will continue to produce snow, mixed precipitation and freezing rain over a good portion of the upper Midwest, over the Ohio Valley and northeastern United States, with some severe weather possible all the way into from Virginia all the way into the Gulf Coast to the northern panhandle of Florida. Okay, now we're going to look at the South Carolina radar view here. We're looking at scattered showers across the area. This will not add up to much, maybe a couple hundredths of an inch, maybe a tenth to a quarter, maybe in the heavier showers. This will continue to shift out, and we're expecting dry weather later on this afternoon and early evening. Alright, now we're going to take a look at the 7-day rainfall total, and the heaviest precipitation will be across the eastern portion of the United States, where several systems will be impacting this region with heavy amounts of rainfall. Rivers and lake levels will be slowly rising in the areas where the heavier precipitation will fall. Rest of the country, kind of lighter amount. We have more precipitation as that system drops in from the Gulf of Alaska and into the northwestern portion of the United States. Now, as we move forward, we're looking at the weather map here. This is that storm system over in the middle portion of the country that's producing winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories and winter storm watches. Where that storm system I showed you in that map earlier, this is where all the precipitation will be. Heavy amounts of precipitation will fall, and lots of snow will fall from Utah all the way from Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, all the way through Kansas City, Nebraska, all the way up into Wisconsin. And then on into Canada later on this week. We have a little bit of winter weather advisories across New York and New York State and Vermont. That's because of a little lake effect snow for that region there. A few high wind warnings in effect for New Mexico and Texas. Expect damaging winds there. That may bring down some trees and power lines. Alright, and finally, the Storm Prediction Center page. Today's outlook is a general risk of some general thunderstorm. Day 2, we're looking at, let's click on day 2 here and I'll show you some more detailed view of it. Okay, we have a marginal risk outlined from Texas all the way to southern Illinois, all the way over into Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi. Slight risk for a portion of Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, West Tennessee, Southwest Kentucky, Eastern Arkansas, and some portion of I think Missouri. Sorry I got it wrong, guys. But anyway, here's the tornado percentage. The 2% outline here in this area here, and the 5% tornado risk here. So if you're in these areas here, watch out for possible tornadoes ranging from EF0 to possible EF3. Wind damage, 15% chance in the yellow and 5% in the brown. And the hail percentage is 5% in the whole area where the marginal risk is. Marginal and slight risk areas are. Okay, here is day 3, and we're going to take a look at day 3 real quick. Marginal risk here, Alabama, portion of Georgia, general thunderstorm, but cannot rule out an isolated severe thunderstorm anywhere in the general thunderstorm area. So just be on the lookout if you're in these areas here. And let's take a look at day 4 through 8. All is quiet. Potential all is 7 and 8. Alrighty. Well, that wraps up this weather forecast for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Let my video get out there so that way I can hit that 1,000 subscriber mark and the 4,000 hours in the coming months. Have a great afternoon.